So I thought I'd try this multi-pick out. This came in that set of picks sent to me from multi-pick. It's an Elite PN06, serial number 483770, and it was made in 2022. And that's the profile of the hook. So we're going to have a go opening this Asec. It's a 5-pin Euro cylinder. Half decent bitting on the key. And we're also going to use one of the tension tools what came in that set, and this is a 1mm top of the keyway tension tool. So let's see if we can get into this little Asec. So I've only just started having a play about with them. They are nice picks. They're quite comfortable. And it don't take long to get the open. So that is a little Asec 5-pin Euro cylinder picked open with a multi-pick 1mm top of the keyway tension tool and a 0.6mm hook. That's it for now. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you again next time. Try a bit.